Hello everyone, I am Taha Muhammad, USA Kurt. Of course, when I tell USA Kurt, I am telling true, but also I am from the world, from universe. Is UFO also our friend? Of course, we suppose not do any discrimination between people on earth and people on the sky. And how come we do discrimination on people on earth? We are belong to earth, and people, they have also planet, they have people there. We tell it UFO. UFO and us should be friends. Okay, why I mentioned that? Because I am telling, I am Taha M. Muhammad, USA. That means I am in USA, my second nation, and the first nation, Kurdistan of Iraq. Yeah, and Iraq too, because my education, I am, yeah, they occupied us since 1922. Yeah, of course, not by power, no. They occupied us by a gift. Sykes-Picot gave a gift to Turkey, to Iran, to Syria, to Iraq, and they divided this orange Kurdistan to 4 pieces, and each one got orange, a quarter orange, a quarter Kurdistan. Yeah, it's a shame, really shame, why they did that in 1922. That's why I'm talking about Kurd, because Kurd is a victim. We are after Arab in population in Middle East, and we are not country. Okay, but anyway, this is my final shape to prove what? Prove that Fermat's last theorem will fail also in this shape. Wow, Taha, how you do that? Let me tell you. Let me go back to this one, for example. Okay, let me make this bigger in order you understand this. Okay, do you know this segment from A to C? Let me make it this. This is new C. Okay, new C. Don't worry about those. I'm going to erase all of those from here. Erase all of those. No need. Okay. I have those. And make this straight. Correct? No. Move straight. Like that. This one is good now, correct? But I am going to put another point here, little point. That means red one is A. Now I make a segment, this one. Okay, I need to color this by bright color. Where is bright color? To go to plus. Wow, it's a bright color. Use this. Very bright. Do you see? Red one is A and blue one is B, and between them gap. And from beginning to the end is C. Is it C? And I need to make sure that Fermat's last theorem equation will fail. And let me go back again to this one. You see this shape? Okay. And do I have other one was what? How I write that? The situation, I will tell it like this. And no need for that I draw that, because the drawing already there. See, please. This shape is this. A to the n plus B to the n, ignore K. Okay. Is equal to C to the n? Of course not. this kind of C greater than this C. This C was great, C to the n greater than those two. How come this one? But don't depend on that. You have to prove it. Okay, let me make 3 rays in order make our job easy. This one, 4. This anyway, we put a point here. This is 1. Second one. What does mean that? A to the n, B to the n. Now, all of them, from A to end, that means C. Let me put here, and go. Okay. Like, maybe 5 elementary school can solve Fermat's last theorem. If they see my work, they will understand. See? Radius A. Repeat it many times. It means you are repeating 8 times b to the n minus 1. Okay? This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me do the other one. D, C, this radius. 1, 2, 3. I think I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. This one, all of them, from here to here. This is C, please. This is C. If I am repeating it, I am getting C to the n. Maybe you do not believe this? Okay, let me make it big in order you see everything. See. Put point now. This one is Cn. S greater than A to the n plus B to the n. Let me see. How I know that? Make 2 other circles. Small one is this one was. This one. This is A to the n. Did I put point here? No. Let me complete the points here. See? 1, 2, 3. Points here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And okay, now use the compass. Okay, see? Without circle, compass. This one, and bring it here. It is there. And from here, see? Cross, come here, smaller, but make a circle constant. You will see it well. This is AN. Put here AN. Okay? And put a point. Replace a point. Okay, now go to B to the N by compass. B to the N. This one. B to the N. Bring it here. Wow, Taha, what you are doing? I am doing a revolution in mathematics. Okay, see? Now, the total A to the N and B to the N is less than C to the N. Where is C to the N? My C to the N was from here until this triangle. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I told triangle? No. I'm telling C to the N is this line, this segment. Let me make it a circle. Okay, how? Yeah, already circle here. No need for circle. Yeah, where is C? N. This is A. This is B, and this is itself is C. Okay? No need to make circle. No need. I can color it for you. You tell this one, the end of this blue. AN plus BN. Color it a nice color, like what? Bright color. We go to bright color. Okay, bright color. Sorry, my limited tools again. Okay, sure. Bright color. What about this one? Wow, very nice. See? Now, what do you see? You see, this one was a to the n plus b to the n less than c to the n. Less than c to the n. Less than c to the n. See? Less than c to the n. Then not equal. By the simple idea. Okay? This is not wrong. Why it is wrong? A to the n multiply this becomes that. Yes. This is when I tell 3, 4, 5, this is the smallest one. When I go big, like 100, the other one should be 101, the other one should be 102 or 3 or million, trillion. When you go trillion, no need for measurement because of this. Okay, but anyway, I am done from this. Let me tell you, I did prove all shapes failed in natural number. Let me move this a little bit. See, this shape is this, failed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those union of those is a natural number, as I showing you here. See? No, not this one. And this goes back to normal. The union of those is a natural number. See, right triangle union, acute triangle union, obtuse triangle union. This kind of segment when A, B makes a straight. But this one, A and B, this is short, the other one is short. See, cannot make even a segment, empty segment, gap between them. Okay, will not sit down on one line. If it is sit down, you have a gap, K. Okay. Those 5 union, it means a natural number. And I did prove by compass and straight edge, those 5 shapes are failed. That means all natural number failed to satisfy Fermat's last theorem. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Before I tell you bye-bye, it is nice you look at work, your work. See? Wow. Are you looking at your work? Very nice. Thank you. Bye-bye.